Greetings, dear friends and future masters of automated trading. My name is Igor Fibo and I have over 20 years of experience in trading on the financial market. In this training course, I will be your guide into the fascinating world of algorithmic trading on the Metatrader 4 and Metatrader 5 platforms. If you've ever dreamed of having your personal computer start making money for you while you sleep, relax, or watch your favorite TV series, then you're in the right place. I promise, after completing our course, that's exactly how it will be. So let's get started. Let's begin with why you even need automated trading. Let's start with the fact that with automated trading, you can earn money completely automatically. That's one. Secondly, if you've already tried your hand at financial trading but traded manually, then you surely know how difficult it is to determine the future direction of price movement. It's also challenging to follow all the rules, money management, and of course, managing all open trading operations. So with automated trading, you significantly ease your tasks. As a trader, just imagine before you were piloting the plane yourself, and now you can put a supercomputer autopilot in your place and relax and enjoy, because the result of automated trading is earning profit in your trading account. And money is always nice. So now about what awaits you in this course. First, we will go through the theory, examine what a financial market is, what trading is, and what assets and tools exist for earning. Next, you will learn what a broker is and what platforms for automated trading are. As I mentioned earlier, these will be the Metatrader 4 and Metatrader 5 platforms. These are the most popular platforms in the world. Of course, you will learn about the main tools for automated trading, about trading bots. And finally, I will tell you how to turn automated trading into a stable source of income. And your nerves will thank you. But in our course, there will be much more practical information, and we will try to guide you step by step from zero to master a more professional level and set you on the track towards your first million. So in the practical part, you will learn, first of all the nuances of the Metatrader 4 and Metatrader 5 platforms. We will break down these platforms with you, so to speak, down to the smallest details and then put them back together. I will talk about all the important features of these platforms, especially those related to automated trading, so that you become very familiar with these platforms, meaning you will be well versed in short every function of these platforms and no longer have to ask questions about what and how things work. Of course, I will show you how to install these platforms on a personal computer and how to connect these platforms with a broker, meaning with your trading account, which you will open with any broker for financial trading. Guys, in this course dedicated to automated trading, of course, we will primarily focus on automated trading and the use of software for automated trading. And in order to turn all the theory into practice, to start with, we will give you trading bot software. There will be several of them. And using them as examples, we will explain to you how to install a trading bot on the Metatrader 4 platform. You will use our manuals and replicate this on your personal computer with the software that we will provide you. Next, we will show you how to test this software and how to optimize it, and how to monitor its operation. And of course, our goal is to turn your personal computer into a source of stable income. So, in this course, we will demonstrate step by step how to turn automated trading into your constant source of income. Guys, we have also included in this course the study of important issues that can affect your trading results. Therefore, in our course, we will examine what is price slippage, what is market spread, what is a swap, what is a rollover, and what is the release of macroeconomic news. Guys, and in this course, of course, we will discuss how to make your trading more comfortable, how to use VPS for trading, that is remote desktops, and how to create a trading portfolio to diversify trading results. Well, friends, I suggest you fasten your imaginary seatbelts and join us on an exciting journey into the world of automated trading. I promise, it will be very useful, profitable, and interesting. Let's go!